This easy Mapo Tofu recipe has a bursting and mouth-numbing flavor that you must try. Mapo Tofu is such a popular dish due to its simplicity in preparation and offer the flavor of the complex interplay of spices and flavor. So let's take a look how to make it. Cut the meat into small pieces. Mince the meat finely. Marinate with light soy sauce and Shaoxing wine. Cut the tofu into about 2 cm squares. Add the vegetable oil to the pan. Add the minced ginger. Chopped garlic. And the marinated meat. Stir fry until aromatic. It's really nice smell. Very aromatic. Add the chicken stock. The chili bean paste, chili oil, fine spice powder, sugar, and combine all the ingredients. Add the tofu carefully, not to break them. Cook it over low heat for 5 minutes. Let the tofu absorb the flavor of the seasoning ingredients. Combine a tablespoon of corn flour slurry to the tofu. Be gently because the tofu can break easily. So that the gravy is now thick enough to adhere to the tofu. Finally, add a teaspoon of ground Sichuan peppercorn. And some scallion on top. Now it's ready. I hope you enjoy watching this Mapo Tofu video. You can get the recipe and the in-depth explanation at tasteasianfood.com Mapo Tofu. And please leave the comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.